Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark V, and today I will show you how you can go through the setup of this phone. Now when you boot it up for the very first time, you should be presented with the same screen as I have one right here, welcoming, where you get to choose your desired language from the drop-down menu right over here. So find the language that you want to use, click on it, and then select Get Started. With some important information. I am aware of the important informations. I love the entire vagueness of this page. So important information. It would be nice if they would actually, describe what the entire important informations are without the need for you to actually click on this link and figure it out yourself. But obviously, if you want to, you can. So have something about warranty periods, countries, regions, and so on, whatever. Let's go back. Now we do need to agree to this no matter if you like it or not. It's not an option. And then we get to connect to mobile network by inserting a SIM card. And you have two different ways. You can either download a SIM instead, which basically refers to a eSIM, as you can see right over here, or you can just insert your physical SIM card into the device. Now this step is completely optional and you don't need to insert anything, and you can just progress through the setup without inserting anything. Now next page is the Wi-Fi connection page, and here you can connect to your desired network. Now that being said, if you decided not to insert your SIM card and you also decide to skip connecting to Wi-Fi, which is what I'm going to be doing, it will give you this pop-up right over here letting you know that by not connecting to basically any kind of network, you will lose the option to log into your Google account. Mention that this is all throughout the setup process only, and later on can be changed. So you'll lose the ability to log into your Google account. You won't be able to restore apps and data and get software updates, along with the date and time it's not going to be set automatically. So we can select continue. We have checked the following. Okay, it's not like we have an option. We only need to check the end user license agreement, and the other option is, well, optional. Now if you want to, you can tap on the blue text end user license agreement to actually read what you are agreeing to. From there you can select accept, and this will take us to date and time because I didn't connect to any kind of network. Therefore, like I mentioned before, date and time is not set automatically, so I can now fix it up. Or I can just completely ignore it and set it up later on by connecting to Wi-Fi. Now anyway, next page we have the Google services, and the services are location, scanning, and sending user and diagnostic data. Now if you don't want some of them, you can completely toggle them off, like so. Scroll down and select accept to go to the next page, which automatically prompts us to select a PIN. It opts into a 4-digit PIN, but you can tap on the screen lock options to have the option to also select pattern or password. So you can choose whichever one you want. And if you don't want to protect your device at all, you can select skip right over here. Now by skipping any kind of screen lock, you will also not be able to select a fingerprint. So if you want to add a fingerprint as an unlock, then you will need to select either print, pattern, or password and then enroll your fingerprint. Now continuing, we have continue setup. Yes. Rhetorical question. System navigation. Here we have the two different navigation methods on our device nowadays. So you have the 3-button navigation, which, well, we right now have 1-button navigation, but you get the point. You get the 3 buttons at the bottom. It's the old school one. And then above that you have gesture navigation. So if you are more used to this because it is more of a standard nowadays, then you can just select it right here, select next, and we can now finish the setup. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.